Okay, some of you have been having issues with your Alipay. You cannot make payments with your Alipay. Alipay is restricting you from making payments. Some of you now, one of the things you need to look out for is if is your Alipay binded with your 1688. Check that it can as well be the cause. There's this website I wanted to use, Chinese website. I wanted to buy something for someone, huge purchase for someone worth like 20,000 RMB. So I received the RMB in my Alipay. The money was there. I could not buy anything on. I could not pay. So I was bothered. My mind did not even go there. I did not bind that. It's a new app. It's not sustained. It's not Pindodo. It's not even I do fish or so. So I actually I was like, oh, what could be the problem? I chatted Alipay customer care. They was like, your account is fine. Nothing is wrong with Alipay, your account. So I said, okay, wait. Is that checked? I said, okay, I think you need to bind it with the app. I said, oh, thank you so much. So some of you might not bind, excuse me, some of you might not have banded your Alipay with the app that I want to use to pay for goods. So you now be saying, oh, you cannot pay for goods. You need to check, is your Alipay banded to the app that you want to use? That's number one. Number two, if every year Alipay always you have to re-verify. In fact, this year they did it a lot. It affected me as well. I wanted to pay for, I had 1,000 plus in my Alipay. I wanted to pay for a product and I could not pay. I was like, what's happening? I went back and when I went and I checked my verification and I saw that it has been removed. So I need to re-verify again before I can pay, use the money in the Alipay. I didn't bother to even chat this Alipay customer care because immediately I saw the unverified Alipay that I've been using for years, and also immediately I just saw unverified. I need that. Oh, I need to re-verify. It's a new year. I need to re-verify. So I re-verified and my account was fine. My account is still very fine. I've used the money. I've bought already countless time and I'm still using it till now. No problem. Okay, so some of you, the issue is you need to re-verify, use the same passport. The issue where you might have issue is if the passport is not for you. If the owner of the passport you use is not close to you, you can still do it. The passport I used, the my own passport has expired, so the passport I used for this particular Alipay, the owner of the passport traveled to north. I'm in Lagos. The person traveled to north. How am I going to do this kind of thing? What do? You need to just tell the person, or download Alipay into your phone, give the person your login details, teach the person what to do, how to go about it. Then the person will do the step by step what you told him or her to do, and then they will re-verify. It's just the face. You still have the passport details now. Just put the passport, then just pinpoint. Yeah, click here, click here, click here. Once the person click to the point that you need to put face, then you put his face. Alipay capture the face. Your account is back and functioning very well. Okay, you don't have issues with that. That is that about that. That's the second part. That is the part that affected me, and that was what I did. I just did record small video, show the person, watch this. I gave him my login details, and the person logged in and did it for me, and it started working. But some of you, when you have, if the person is not willing to do it for you, that's why the issue is. You will not be able to use that RMB again, except this one other method I'm about to say now. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, so that YouTube can push this video for more people that will be interested or that need this information to see it. And if you're a returning viewer, I love you so much. Okay, so the another thing is, if your Alipay is new and you go and buy RMB that is bigger than a new Alipay, the account will be restricted. Last week, yes, I deal with people that are facing this kind of problems. Imagine somebody creating Alipay for the first time. You buy 3,000 plus RMB into it, 4,000 plus RMB in the new Alipay account. What do you expect? The Alipay is strict, and there is a lot of scam on Alipay. So when they see that kind of fund in your Alipay as a first time user, they will think, okay, maybe it's a fraud fund. You are trying to keep the money there for some time, then you send it back, you send it out of the account. That's what they will think. So let me, I don't want this video to be too long. I will explain this in another video. I will explain this in another video. So if you are having issues, if your own is that your account is restricted, all you need to do is to just to chat Alipay customer care to solve the problem. But for this video, purpose of this video, if your own is that you cannot pay, you cannot make payment and you are seeing your money there, all you just need to do is to verify, which I will walk you through step by step in this particular video. So stay tuned to the very end of this video so you won't miss any important part of this video. See ya. Bye bye. So I'm in my Alipay app now, okay? So first, before I will start, let me show you my balance. So you know that I have money there, but I can't use it. I can't use it, okay? So see my balance. Let's see. Can you see my balance? See my balance now. Come and see if I want to send money to anybody now. See what he will tell me. Let's go. Let's go back. Okay, let me pick this one and see if I want to pay money to this person. And I'll click 200, okay? For example, just to see, to know that I can't use it to pay. Do you see? I can't pay now. See what it's telling me here. See what it's telling me here. Please complete your identity information first. And this is the Alipay I've been using for over 2 years now. This Alipay is what I've been using for over 2 years. And then now I can't even pay with it because Alipay is telling me to re-verify again. So if you find yourself in this situation, you don't panic. The only issue here is if you are using passport that does not belong to you, that's where there might be a slight issue, because if the person is not willing to do it for you again, then there is problem. So but this is the method to do it. So once you open your Alipay, come down to my account, okay? My account here, right? So also click on your my account. See this place here. It will open here like this, and then you click this place in front of where you have your phone number like this. You see small arrow, okay? Click on the arrow. Click on the arrow. This is the new method you can use to do face verification. And if you're also facing this kind of issue that you have your money but you can't use Alipay, you can't pay with Alipay, then this is the method to use, okay, to re-verify again. So we've gotten to this place now. Then I'll click on my name card. Sorry, even if it's your first time of doing verifying Alipay, what's happening? My name card. This is still the method you use if it's your first time of verifying Alipay. If you're doing face verification, you can't find it in the normal place, you can see it through here. So you click on my name card. You can see it's showing unverified. Unverified. Can you see? Unverified. So this unverified is what you are going to click. Click on unverified. Then it will bring you here. Click on it again. Unverified again. So let's go. Let's go. Let's see where it will take us to. Hold on for it to load, okay? See this then you click on verify now. Verify now. Okay, verify now. Then you click it. Then it will bring us here. And then from here you will click on this first one by saying verify, upload passport and verify face recommended. Click this one. So I'll click it. I just want you to see it, because even the passport I use is not mine. I have to do this to show the person so the person can also help me. Then once you get to this page, you click on verify now. Can you see? Just put your face and then verify. That's all. But if you're using a passport that is not your own, it's not a problem. All you just need to do is to tell the person to download Alipay app. Once the person download Alipay app, give the person your login details. Then the person login, just show the person what to do. Then once the person login, you go to where you do the face verification for you, and then do the face verification, and then you are good to go. Your Alipay will start working, your account will start working perfectly well again, okay? So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Please, it's very, very important, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.